Add warmth to your home with wooden accents. Hey there, interior design lovers! Let's talk about one of the most versatile and timeless materials in design: wood. From rustic cabins to sleek modern apartments, wood has this magical ability to fit in anywhere. Whether it's the soft grain of oak, the dark richness of walnut, or the rugged charm of reclaimed wood, it instantly adds warmth, texture, and personality to any space. Modern homes can sometimes feel a bit cold, like a showroom. Ever walked into a beautifully designed room that still feels like it's missing something? That missing piece is often warmth and character. Wood bridges that gap effortlessly, turning a blank slate into a cozy, inviting retreat. Ready to bring this natural touch into your home? Let's dive into some practical ways to incorporate wood into your design. Add wooden furniture. Start simple. Incorporate a classic wooden dining table, a sleek coffee table, or a comfy wooden chair to anchor your space. Wooden furniture not only adds functionality, but also becomes a focal point that exudes natural charm. Look for pieces with natural finishes for an organic vibe, or go bold with painted or stained wood for a modern twist. Wooden wall panels or ceilings. Want to go bold? Wooden wall panels or ceilings can completely transform a room, adding depth and texture. Whether you prefer a rustic, reclaimed wood look or sleek, polished panels, this design element creates a cozy, inviting atmosphere that feels both elegant and timeless. Use wooden room dividers. Wooden room dividers are both functional and stylish, perfect for open concept spaces. Opt for slatted designs to allow light to pass through while still defining distinct areas, or go for intricate carvings to add an artistic flair to the room. Highlight wood in unexpected places. Think beyond the obvious. Incorporate wood into your interior with wooden headboards, stair railings, or even wooden backsplashes in your kitchen. These unexpected elements make a space feel unique and personalized. Wooden shelving for function and style. Install wooden floating shelves to add storage while keeping your walls stylish. Use them to display books, plants, or collectibles. Bonus, use reclaimed wood for an eco-friendly and character-rich touch. Wooden doors with personality. Upgrade your interior doors to ones with rich wooden finishes or intricate patterns. Sliding barn doors or carved wooden doors are excellent options to add both functionality and style while giving your space a standout feature. Wooden flooring for ultimate elegance. Nothing beats the timeless appeal of wooden flooring. Whether it's classic hardwood, engineered wood, or wood-look tiles, floors set the foundation for a room's aesthetic. Bonus tip, pair wood floors with rugs for added texture and comfort while showing off the beauty of the wood. So, let's look at a real-life example. We recently worked on a modern condo with stunning city views that felt cold and impersonal. By adding a wooden feature wall, decorative accents, and swapping a metal coffee table for a beautifully crafted wooden one, the space was completely transformed. Wood brought warmth, character, and a cozy vibe, turning the condo into a truly inviting home. That's the magic of wooden accents. They make a space feel like yours. Want to try adding wooden elements to your own space? With Foyr Neo, you can easily visualize wooden accents, feature walls, and so much more. Create and experiment with your dream designs before making them a reality. Start your 14-day free trial today. Links in the description. Thank you for watching and happy designing!